Hi, I'm Shiv and welcome to the very first video on the Codebreaker Labs channel. We've been working on inserts that make job site gear more organised and easier to use. And today I'm going to show you one that we're really proud of. This is our custom insert made specifically for the M12 Installation Driver. Now let's walk through what makes this insert a total game changer for anyone using this kit. Starting down the bottom here, we have a removable tray, and underneath it reveals 12 hidden drill bit slots, sized from 55mm to 130mm. They stay locked in place even if you flip the PACKOUT upside down. Now with the tray itself, it holds 21 hex bits, that's space for 9 2-inches and 12 1-inch bits. We've designed an extended slot here made for extensions or longer bits up to 180mm. Now we've got a smaller pocket down here, and it's great for any head attachments or any small bits that you want to keep locked down. Underneath the driver, it reveals the 4 head attachments, each with its own snug custom spot that slots in and out easily. You pop the driver back on top and you can fit it with the M12 battery, and it doesn't matter if the hook is on either side of the driver, it still fits with the lid closed. Now, in this center gap here, there's extra room to throw in a CP battery or other items like fasteners or a small tape. Now, if you're using the M12 installation driver and your setup looks like a junk drawer, you're wasting time and you're probably losing gear. With bits everywhere, heads missing, driver rattling around, we see it all the time, right? This insert was built for one job, and that's to keep everything you need together in one ready grab-and-go box. It's not just about tidy storage. It gives you visual accountability, and at the end of the day, you can tell instantly if something is missing. You're packing up faster, you're not chasing down loose bits, and you're way less likely to leave something on site or lend it out permanently. This wasn't designed to look nice in CAD. It was built for real work and daily site abuse. So if you've already got the M12 installation driver and the PACKOUT box, this is the upgrade that makes it all work smarter. You can grab your insert now at codebreakerlabs.com.au, links in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like so that more tradies and contractors can find it. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.